Hi guys, Patrick here with the B team at McGarr Realty. Welcome to 31 Sawmill Road, townhome number 2. This is a bungaloft townhome, so main floor master suite and then a loft above. It's beautiful inside. It's approximately 2,100 square feet, backing onto the treat area surrounding the 12 Mile Creek Valley. So let's go have a look. Okay guys, that concludes the tour. Thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If you want to have a look at it online, THEbTEAM.ca, where you have all the photos and the video. If you want to contact us, any questions or to arrange a tour, by all means, anytime that you'd like. Thanks very much, and hope to hear from you. Cheers. Bye-bye.